Hello, my name is Haley Engel. This is a video for the Anatomy and Physiology Lab Module 3 assignment regarding long bones. The assignment was to identify two long bones and the purpose of long bones. So the two long bones that I have chosen, the first one is the fibula, which lies lateral to the tibia. The second long bone that I have chosen to select, I will zoom in to be able to see clear, are the metacarpals. And even though they are smaller bones, they are still considered long bones because they are longer than they are wide. So by definition, they fit the criteria. The function of long bones, the purpose of bones, the long bones, they can act as storage for minerals and fats. They also help maintain the acid-base homeostasis. They do also help with movement as they attach to different muscles to be able to allow us to move. They are weight bearing, so they help support the body's overall frame and weight that we carry throughout our lives.